Hello guys! Today I'm going to show you how to solve for the surface area and volume of this figure. You might think it's a pyramid though, right? Yes, although you can see a pyramid right over here. But there's a combination of something. Do you know where else is the combination? Yup, the combination is down there. You see a rectangular prism together with the pyramid all at the same time. So now I'm going to teach you how to solve for the surface area and volume of each. First of all, let's work it out to the surface area. So for the surface area, you know what the formula is, right? It's the surface area of all the faces. But since we have a pyramid and a rectangular prism combined together, therefore we expect that you should have a new number of faces involved. Like for instance, you know in a rectangular prism, you're supposed to have 6 faces all in all, right? So dapat ito yung 6 faces. Tapos sa pyramid, 5. Kaya lang, here's the catch. There is one face that should not be included. Again, I would like to reiterate. There is one face that should not be included. Which one is it? Okay, remember in a rectangular prism, this is one face, right? This is another face. This one here, that's also another face. And then the last one on the left side, that's also another face. So 4 faces and the base. That's 5. But don't forget the top. So that is the 6th. Kaya lang we should not include that because remember, it's where the pyramid is. Then in the pyramid, you have 5 faces, diba? But you have 4 triangles. So therefore, it's 9 faces. You just have to exclude the base of the pyramid. Moreover, you also have to exclude the top part of the prism. Alright? Now let's solve for the surface area. To solve for the surface area of the prism, you already know what to do. So let's see if you can still remember the formula. As you can see, we already have the 5 centimeters and the 4 centimeters and the 3 centimeters. We need to, get the surface area. So to do that, it's very easy. We know that there are 6 faces. But take note, one of the faces shan't be there. So here are the faces. We work it out one by one. 1, we have 5 times 3, diba? 2, we have 5 times 3 again. Third face, we have 5 times 4, diba? 4, we have 5 times 4 again. 5, we have 3 times 4, diba? And the last one is 3 times 14. We get 15, 15, 20, 20, 12, 12. However, remember what did I tell you in a square prism, rectangular prism pala, one of the faces shan't be there. Which one is it? Analyze and figure out. You know that 5 centimeters this dimension, right? And 4 centimeters is this dimension. So is there a face we have to exclude? Yes, it's the base of this thing. The base whose area is 5 times 4 centimeters. So we're going to cross this out. Now you just have to add the 5 faces together. 15 plus 15 is 30. So 50. And 50 plus 12 equals 62. So therefore we have 74 square centimeters. Alright? 74 square centimeters yan. That is the surface area of rect prism. Okay? Now what about for the pyramid? For the pyramid, we have this, right? We know the entire height is 7.5. But because there's 3 centimeters here, the height now should be 4.5 centimeters. Now all we need to do in order for us to get the slants, we need to play a game called, yup, you know what we're gonna play. That's right, the Pythagorean theorem. So as you can see, remember the base of 5 centimeters and 4 centimeters. We can split that into 2. So therefore, if we work on one side of the triangle, we should have 5 divided by 2, which is 2.5. So therefore, we have 2.5 squared plus 4.5 squared equals h squared. That's on one side. That's for 5 cm. This one. Tapos on the other side naman, we have this. This is the 4 centimeter. Diba? It's 2 squared and then 4.5 squared equals h squared. So now we work on the Pythagorean theorem. 2.5 squared, that's supposed to be 6.25. 4.5 squared, diba you remember yung technique? 25 and then 1 plus 4. 5 times 4, 20. So 20.25. equals to h squared. Alright? So therefore you have 25 plus 25 equals 0.5. 20 plus 6, so therefore it's 26.5 equals h squared. So take the square root on both sides. H must be equivalent to what? We don't know. Next, on the other hand, we have 4, diba? 2 squared is 4. You still have 20.25 equals h squared. So this becomes 24.25 equals h squared. Take the square root of both sides, and h is equivalent to what? Let's see with the calculator and find out. So therefore, we have to take the square root of 26.5. But before that, diba 4.5 squared, you have 20.25 plus 2.5 squared, 26.5. Take the square root of this number, we should get 5.14. So therefore, the square root of 26.5 is 5.14. 5.14 cm. This one naman yung 24.25. Taking the square root will lead you to 4.92. Alright? So you have to determine which is which. Alright? Ito yun. Now, which dimension gets the 5.14? The 5.14 is where you do the 4.5 squared. Or the 2.5 squared. So ito yun, di ba? So if we were to draw the right triangle, ganito siya. 2.5. This is 5 centimeters. So therefore, this one should be 5.14. 5.14 cm. To verify with the ruler, let's see if it makes sense. Alright? Double check muna with the ruler. 5.14. Never mind, don't base it via the drawing. Kasi nga sometimes, it's not really that drawn to scale. Okay lang yan, hindi siya drawn to scale literally. Okay? And then the 4, so it pertains to something here. Ito yun. Ito yung pinag-usapan namin. So this is the triangle where you get to see the 5.14. So ito yun. Let's see if it makes sense. Tama, it's this one. Okay? And then this one is the 4.92, tama? Yes, halos halata malapit na. Right? Now, all we need to do is to just multiply. So first, you know the base. You do not need to get the base anymore. You just need to get the triangles. So therefore, we have 5 centimeters times, what's the height here? The height here is 5.14. Tama? I think this is the 5.14. The 5.14 is to the east side. So this is the 5.14. So therefore, this is 5 times 4.92. So ganito yun. 4.92 times 5. 92 times 5 equals 30. I think what you call is, let's do it on a calculator part to be safe. 4.92 times 5. Nope. We should get 24.6. That's for one set of the triangles. Next, on the right side of the triangles, we have 5.14 times 4. Ganito siya, di ba? 20.56. Then when we add this up all together, 11. So tama, it becomes 45.16. So that is the area, surface area of both the triangles. Alright? Now we add this up all together, 74 plus 45.16. We should get 119.16 square centimeters. Alright? That's our surface area. Now for the volume, it's still easy. For the volume, you just have to get the area of the prism and the pyramid, then add it all together. Kaya that's still easy. For the prism, it's very easy. 3 times 4 times 5. 3 times 4 is 12. So that's 60 cubic centimeters. 60 cubic cm. For the pyramid, we have to do, remember the height, that's 4.5, diba? 5 times 4 times 5, 4.5. 5 times 4 equals 20, diba? 20. 20 times 4.5 divided by 3. This becomes 15, 1.5. So 1.5 times 2, which gives you 3. Right? So therefore, that's the height. So we add this up all together. Tama ba? Tama kasi nga all this, ano yun? Sorry, maling computation. It's just that I forgot to add the 0. So therefore, it's 30. So therefore, the area is 5 times 4. Diba remember that's the area of the base? 20. So 20 times 1.5. 20 times 1.5, that's 1.5 times 2 equals 30. And then don't forget to add the 0. So that's 30. Diba? So 30. So therefore, it's 30 cubic centimeters. And when we add this up together, the volume is equivalent to 90 cubic cm. That's it.